Isn't my sand hard? Mama, come! Mama, come! I want to show you something. What show you? No. Oh, you, my bedroom that I always wanted. I always wanted this bedroom.
This bedroom, wow! Look at this cushion, Altamash.
I always wanted this bedroom. Wow, so cool.
Oh my God!
I always wanted this bedroom. And look at this.
And what about clock?
And what about this study?
I always wanted this. But how can this computer switch on?
Per Wi-Fi.
I want to buy this big bed. I always wanted this bed and bedroom. I want to buy that bedroom.
Which one?
I wanted to buy this one. But I'll make 2 rooms. 2 rooms for me.
One for me and one for Altamash.
That one will be for me and that one will be for you, Jojo.
Oh.
I want to buy that bedroom for...
No.
I thought it was a rocking chair.
ये कितना जबरदस्त बनाया है उन्होंने.
We don't have a light bulb for it. That's so long.
Need to buy everything.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wee, let me Oh, look at this.
Can we have this bedroom for Choco?
This. How can I do that? I always wanted this lamp. What happens if I take the plug out? Does it stop? I want to see how it will cook. I always wanted this.
न्यू बेड के लिए स्पेस कैसे बनाई जाती है मुलायजा फरमाए ज़रा.
It can be when you take the old bed away.
Great idea.
Okay, show us one.
Do like any lunch bag. All of the lunch bags are full. But we just go away from that place. Now I don't know where that you poops. I don't know, but you just go away from that. Now I don't know where. Then we must be lost from the stereotype.
Beautiful house, fresh and nice smell.
Hey, what is this?
See?
I'm not talking to you.
Thank you.
Because you're not letting me have a steer, but so that's not talking to you.